Hi, everyone. I'm Hillary Sackett-Taylor, and I'm the new Honors Program Chair. I've recently replaced Professor Vanessa Deanna in this role, and I'm making this video to help walk you through the process that we're using now for honors advising and registration. So the first thing you'll want to do is sign into Plato and find your way to the Virtual Honors Center. You can do this by clicking on Organizations in the left-hand navigation menu. You should find that as a member of the Honors Program, you have access to the Virtual Honors Center. Once you're in the Virtual Honors Center Plato page, you'll want to go in the left-hand menu and click on Advising Resources. This first page outlines the step-by-step process that we're going to be using every semester going forward. The first part that you're already doing is you're watching this video, so nice work. After you finish watching this video, where I'll walk you through the steps, you want to review the advising and registration schedule for important dates, deadlines, and especially now, group advising sessions. You'll want to find a group advising session that fits your needs. We have group advising sessions by class, by major, and by special interest. For example, those interested in learning more about the Senior Honors Project. You'll want to attend at least one of these group advising sessions. Because there is only one honors chair now, where there used to be a director and assistant director, I can't possibly offer individual advising appointments to all honors students, unfortunately. So individual honors advising appointments are going to be limited and available for complex cases. So if you have something special going on where you really need the help of the honors chair to figure out how you're going to finish your honors requirements, do feel free to make an individual appointment. But for everyone else who's simply looking for advice on course selection, please make sure that you are attending a group advising session. Once you've attended a group advising session, then you can go online and review the schedule of courses that are going to be offered next semester. And you'll want to review your degree evaluation, which can be found in My Westfield. What's new this semester is that your degree evaluation will have an honors block, which should help track your progress towards the honors program graduation requirements, just like you have a major block or a minor block. And your major advisor can now see your honors block and help make sure that you're making progress on your honors requirements alongside your major requirements. You'll need to schedule a one-on-one appointment with your major advisor in order to get your registration PIN. You should do this as soon as possible. Once you know which honors courses you're most interested in taking, you'll sign up for your first choice and second choice honors course preferences using the links that I'll show you here in Plato. You cannot self-register for honors courses. The only way to get enrolled in an honors course is to sign up through our Virtual Honors Center Plato page, and then Gretchen Conrad will register you for your honors courses. When registration opens, you'll then be able to self-register for all of your non-honors courses. A specific note here about GPA. One of the honors program requirements is that you maintain a 3.3 GPA or above. If you have a GPA that meets these requirements, you are eligible for priority registration. Unfortunately, if your GPA has fallen below a 3.3, you have probationary status in honors. What that means is that you'll have to wait to register for your classes for next semester with the rest of your class. However, and this is important, even if you are on probationary status in the honors program, you can still indicate that you have preferences to take honors courses next semester. We still hope that you'll take honors courses so that you're continuing to make progress towards graduation with honors. So I'm going to encourage you here to scroll down and look at honors program advising information. Here, you can review the honors program requirements for university honors and Commonwealth honors. And then here's the important piece. We have a detailed schedule of honors group advising sessions. The schedule is going to be that we have multiple sessions every day, the week of Monday, February 14th through February 18th. I will offer individual appointments on Friday the 18th and Tuesday the 22nd. Remember, those are limited to people with complex cases. A note here is that you can sign up for appointments with me directly by using this Calendly link. Tuesday, February 22nd is for the university is following a Monday schedule. Okay, so you have the entire week of the 14th to the 18th to go to a group advising session and to schedule a one-on-one appointment with your major advisor. The deadline to sign up for the honors courses that you'd like to take next semester is Monday, February 21st. Remember, even if your GPA is below a 3.3 currently, you can still sign up for honors courses for next semester. Your day for priority registration opens on Thursday, February 24th. Registration will remain open for all students until Friday, April 8th. You'll see that the sessions that we have, the group's advising sessions, all of them will happen in person in the Honor Center, Mod Hall 103, unless indicated otherwise. Sessions that are highlighted in red here will be high flex, meaning that you have the option of attending in person or signing in on Zoom. You'll see that every day we have options that are based on which school or which major you belong to. We also have peer-to-peer advising sessions where it'll be only students, and you'll be able to talk to upper class people about how they are navigating their way through the honors program requirements and any advice and suggestions that they have for you. All majors are welcome in the peer-to-peer advising sessions. We are also going to have sessions that are available by class year. So I'll be working in a group advising session first with the class of 2023, and then the following day, the class of 2024. And then on Thursday and Friday, I'll have sessions for the class of 2025. In between, you'll also see that on Tuesday and Thursday, I'll be running sessions in the early evening for people interested in the Senior Honors Project. This is not a commitment. You don't have to make any choice that you will or will not do a Senior Honors Project. But if you want to know more about that process and what it entails, I encourage you to come to one of these sessions. Okay, so we've talked about group advising sessions. Now let's talk about how you sign up for your honors course preferences. You'll want to use the link. If we go back to advising resources, go to honors programming advising information. You'll see here a link for fall 2022 honors course selection information. Here you'll see that there's a link or a list rather of all of the courses that are scheduled in honors for next semester. By clicking on the link provided by the title of the course, you'll be navigated to a new Google Doc. In this Google Doc, you'll find a detailed description of the course, as well as like any honors enhancements or special projects or approaches that the faculty member is planning to take. In order to request enrollment in this course, you have to sign up in this Google Doc. Honors courses are capped at 15 students. So if more than 15 students sign up, you should still express your interest in this course. Scheduling priority will be determined by seniority, major requirements and restrictions, and how far you've progressed towards honors program graduation requirements. You're not guaranteed your first choice, but you're guaranteed at least one honors course if you ask for one. So please be sure to indicate first, second, and maybe even third choices of your honors courses. When you sign up, you'll include your name, A number, your class year, your year of expected graduation, and then whether this course is your first, second, or third choice. You'll want to indicate to us here which other courses you are also signing up for so that we know where to look for your name in those lists. If it's possible, we would like to know whether you are actually looking to take 2 honors courses. We can't guarantee it, you're only guaranteed 1, but in special circumstances, we may have room to put you in 2. This is what Professor Deanna used to call the begging box. This last column is where you tell us why this course is your first or second choice, why it's your preference. Here you might want to include things like this will be counted towards my major, or I need this course this semester because I plan on studying abroad the following semester, or taking on an internship, or something where maybe this is the only course that really fits into your schedule given the other requirements you have. This is your opportunity to communicate directly with us about why it is you're specifically interested in this course offered this semester at this time. This really helps us to know how to prioritize putting students into each of these courses. So you'll have the opportunity to look at a Google Doc for each of the courses in the fall schedule. So I just want to return and bring this, full circle here, that what you need to do is attend a group advising session, review the schedule of course offerings with honors courses and non-honors courses, and look at your degree evaluation. Schedule an appointment with your major advisor to get your registration pin. Sign up in these Google Docs here in Plato for your first and second choice honors course and tell us why it's your first or second choice. And then on February 24th, you can register yourself for all of your non-honors courses. If you have any questions along the way, you can mostly get them answered in a group advising session, but you can also email me using the honors@westfield.ma.edu email. I hope that helps clarify the process for honors advising. I'm looking forward to seeing many of you in the upcoming week for group advising sessions. And I wish you the best of luck through this process, getting ready for a very successful fall 2022 semester. I'll see you soon.